Okay, all of listener. Okay, my voice is okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Yesterday I will send the syllabus copy. Yeah, syllabus copy send chesham andarki.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In that one, theorems we have to complete it. Okay. Okay. After seeing your syllabus, you have to complete the total theorems. That is Thevenin's theorem, Norton's theorem, superposition, reciprocity, and maximum power transfer theorem. 5 theorems are completed. Now I am going to move in second unit. Another half of the part is graph theory. Is it okay for my slide? PPT?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
na? Okay, right. Now I am going to graph theory. Okay. Graph theory is nothing but for any circuit we have to obtain the graph. For any circuit we have to obtain the graph. For example, if this is a circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram, what we have 120 volt voltage source, and these are the resistors. One 20 volts 20 volts 20 volt voltage source, and 5 30 10 10 20 amps resistors, and 4 ohms 4 amps current source. Okay, so we have to obtain the graph from this circuit diagram. From this circuit diagram we want to obtain the graph. How can you obtain the graph? That is nothing but, see here, the voltage sources are, remember that all the independent voltage sources are replaced with short circuit, and all the passive elements. What is the passive elements? Resistor,
RLC.
Okay, R, L, and C. All the RLC parameters are going to be replaced with short circuited. Only the independent current source is going to be
ఫోటోలు ఏమో వస్తుంది.
Babu, ఎవరమ్మా? Okay, independent voltage source is short circuited, and RLC parameters are short circuited, and only independent current sources is going to be open circuited. First of all, see, first we have to identify the nodes. In your given network. You have to identify the nodes in your given network. So okay, listen here. In your graph, first of all, identify the nodes. How many nodes will be there? Tell me.
3 nodes.
4
What?
nodes.
4 nodes will be there. Here, the current is going to be Ready? Ready? Pen correct outline. Slide మారుతుంది. Slide మారుతుంది. Okay. See here, in this diagram, we have to first identify the nodes. Identify the nodes. So this is your node, first node. This one is first node, and this one is second node. This one is third node, and this one is reference node, fourth node. Okay. After that one, the voltage sources are, so draw the lines. Okay. First node, second node, third node, and fourth node. Completed. Next one, identify the relationship between the nodes. Okay. Identify the relationship between the nodes. And here, see here, in this first node, here, in this first node and for fourth node, one voltage source is connected. And what I am saying, already I am told you, voltage sources are passive elements. Voltage sources and all passive elements are replaced with short circuited. So from first node to fourth node, one voltage source will be there. So make it here short circuit. Make it here short circuit. And coming for the next one is, first node and second node. How many elements will be there? Only one resistor will be there. So it is a passive element. Short circuit this one. Next one is second node to third node, 10 ohms resistor will be there. Short circuit this one. Okay. And second node to fourth node, 10 ohms will be there. Short circuit. And third node to fourth node, 20 ohms will be there. Short circuit here. Okay. And one more relation will be there from first node to third node, 30 ohms. So short circuit this one. Okay. All of understand up to here? Babu?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one. This is called as a simple graph. Okay. Simple graph. In this graph, I want to ask you one question. Okay. In your electrical circuit diagram, this one, in your electrical circuit diagram, how many nodes will be there? Tell me. 4 nodes.
4.
How many branches will be there?
7.
7. What is the branches? 20 volts. Okay. 5 ohms, 30 ohms, 10 ohms, 30 ohms, 20 ohms, and 4 ampere current. These are the branches for your electrical circuit. Okay. For your electrical circuit. Coming for the graph theory, how many nodes will be there? 4 nodes will be there. How many branches will be there? See for this one, I am drawing for this one also graph. Okay. This is the node A, B, it is your node B, it is your node C, it is your node D. For this one graph, for this one graph, A, B, C, A, B, C, and this is D. Okay, this is your graph. After that one, I am taking this is first branch element. Okay, okay. You told that 4 nodes will be there, branches elements will be 6. You told. So it is your first branch. It is your second branch I am taking. This is your third branch, and this is your fourth branch. This is your fifth branch, and this is your sixth branch. So the current is not a branch. Why? Because it is open circuited. Okay, remember that one. In case of the electrical circuits, the branch elements will be is not same as for in graph theory. Why? Because in case of the electrical circuits, you have the current sources also. Okay, when you have to convert that one into graph theory, the current sources are going to be open circuited. So in graph theory, the branch elements will be maybe equal or less than to the electrical circuits branch elements. Electrical circuit branch elements. Up to all of understand? All of you.
Yes, sir.
What I am saying is main objective is in electrical circuits branch elements is in graph theory, the branch elements are maybe equal or less than the electrical circuit. Why? Because the current source is open circuited in graph theory. Okay, in graph theory. Okay, after that one, so in graph we have identified the 4 nodes and 6 branches. Now I am representing which are the nodes. Okay, and remember nodes also called as vertices. It is the another word, vertices. Nodes is also called as vertices. And how many nodes will be there in this graph? 4 nodes. What is that one? A, B, C, and D. Okay, and coming for next one is next term is branches. Branches, and also it is called as edges. Branches is also called as edges. Okay, how many branches will be there? 6. What is that one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 edges will be there. Okay, coming for the next one is node pair. Okay, node pair. How many node pair will be there? Node pair nothing but it is the combination of the edges. Okay, for example, if you take this is A point, this is B point, so it is a node pair. So AB is the one node pair. Okay, AB is the one node pair, and AB is the one node pair, and BC is the one node pair. This is B now, C and D. BC is the one node pair, and AB, AC, AB, AC, AD, and BC, BD is the node pairs. So how many node pairs will be there? 6 node pairs will be there. Okay, up to here, all of understand? All of you. Babu, all of understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, once again I am repeating. Nodes and vertex are nothing but it is same. Nodes and vertex. How many nodes will be there here? Nodes and vertex. It will be 4. And branches and edges. It will be 6. Node pair will be 6. Okay. Node pair will be 6. Now I am going to for next one is directed graph. I am going to next one is directed graph.
Branches are 7, na, sir.
What?
Branches are 7, na, sir.
Branches are in electrical circuit. It is 7 branches in electrical circuit. Is it visible? In electrical circuit, 7 branches will be there. When you have to convert on this one into graph, what happened? Voltage current sources will be open circuit. No, current source will be open circuited. So how many branches will be coming? 6 branches will be coming in graph. That is, if any electrical circuit, it will be containing current source. For that one, in graph theory, the branch elements will be less than that of the branch elements. That's why I'm taking in this problem, I'm taking the one voltage source, current source. In case of the electrical circuit here, branch elements will be 7. Branch elements will be 7. When this one converted into graph, the branch elements will be 6. Why? Because the current source is open circuited. Though, so here not I am connecting anything. Here I am not connecting anything. All of understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, and the next one is I am taking this one of the another one, that is it is okay. I am taking another one is this one is here A, B, C and D. From here, the graph is we have to obtain here this one. Okay, here nodes will be 4 and branch element will be 6. Okay, so another name for nodes is vertices. So another name for branches will be edges. Up here, all of understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Coming
sir.
for next one. Coming for next one, directed graph. Okay, directed graph. Directed graph nothing but we have to maintain give the direction of the branch elements. Okay, between the nodes. Okay, so for example, here I am taking this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. This is D. Okay, so already I draw the graph. A, B, C, D. Okay, so this is 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. Sorry, this is 5, and this is 6. This is 6. Okay, when I have to give the direction, okay, direction మీకు ఎగ్జామ్స్ లో ఆల్రెడీ ఇస్తారు వాడు డైరెక్షన్ సర్క్యూట్ డయాగ్రామ్ లా. ఓకే, నేను ఇక్కడ సర్క్యూట్ డయాగ్రామ్ ఇచ్చేస్తాను డైరెక్షన్ ఆల్రెడీ. ఓకే, దిస్ వన్ ఐఎమ్ రిప్రజెంటింగ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ డైరెక్షన్ is very important. Remember, A to B, it is going from in this way, A to B. Here A to D, here D to B. Okay, here A to C, here B to C, here D to C. Okay, this is our direction. So it is called as a direction of the graph. All of understand? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is your direction of the graph. In your electrical circuit, they give in examination, if they given direction, you have to mention the direction. Otherwise, we have to take random. Okay, you have to take random also. It is very important for direction. Okay,
Sir,
in your
one second,
examination,
sir.
if they given in electrical circuit direction, you have to mention same direction. Otherwise, you have to take random only. Okay, why? Because depending upon this direction in upcoming topics, incidence matrix, Tysett matrix, Cut-set matrix, very important for identification of direction. Okay, in your examination, if they given in a circuit diagram direction, you have to take the same direction. Otherwise, you have to take the random only. Next one. One of the important question is, what is the rank of the graph? What is the rank of the graph? Okay, this type of questions they ask for 3 marks. Okay, what is the rank of the graph? That is nothing but n minus 1. That is nothing but node minus 1. How many nodes will be there?
4 nodes.
4
4.
minus 1. Okay, 4 minus 1. So the rank of the graph will be 3. The rank of the graph will be 3. Okay, next, coming for the next one, degree of the node. Okay, degree of the node. How can you identify the degree of the node? All of here. So next one is degree of the node. So first of all, I am taking the first node. What is the degree of the 0? How can I identify? Okay, how can you, sorry, degree of the A, not 0, it is A. Okay, degree of the A, this is A node. No, for this A node, I am taking this is A node. From this A node, how many elements are coming out? How many elements are going? For this node, okay, for this node, this is second element. Okay, and this is sixth element going, and first element also will be going. That is, all elements are away from the node. All the elements are away from the node. So the degree of the node A will be 0. Remember. Okay. Tell me, what is the degree of the B node? What is the degree of the B node? Tell me.
1.
1.
That is nothing but how many elements are coming to the node. That is degree of the node. So only second node R2 branch is going to be coming, and one no 1 2 R2 is coming, and L1 is also will be coming. L1 third one also coming. Okay, so the degree of this one node is 2. Tell me, what is the degree of this C node?
2.
At this C node,
2.
4 is coming,
3.
6 is coming,
3.
3 is coming. Okay, 3. This current source is open circuit, not required. Okay, next, what is the degree of the D? What is the degree of the D? Only first node is coming.
1.
Okay, so degree of the node D will be 1. Okay, degree of the node D will be 1. Add the sum of the degrees. Okay, degree of the A plus degree of the B plus degree of the C plus degree of the D. Okay, how much value? 0 1
6.
6. Okay, that is nothing but it is equal to the number of branches. Number of branches. Okay, number of branches. All of understand? All of you. In this type also they will ask for 3 marks. If they given any graph, find out the degree of the node. Okay, they ask like this. Okay, that is nothing but degree of the node is equal to number of branches. Okay, what is the rank of the graph?
3.
Tell
3.
me.
3.
Okay, what is the formula?
N minus
N
1.
minus
-1.
N minus 1. Very good. This is what? Rank of the graph and degree of the node. Next one is I am going to for directed graph. Okay. Okay. Next up to 10:20 class. Babu 10:20
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Next one is directed graph. Okay. In case of the already I told what is the directed graph. Direction will be given to that one is directed graph. Okay. Already I told you. Directed graph nothing but the direction between the nodes with the branch elements is called the directed graph. But in this directed graph, one more will be there. That is complete graph. Complete graph. Okay. Complete graph. That is nothing but Okay. Next one is connect complete graph. One minute, Amma. Okay. A, B, C, and this is D. Okay. A, B, C. Okay, no problem. In third hour, I continue with another concept. Okay, now students. Babu.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubts? Ask me now. Up to here.
సార్ ఒకసారి డైరెక్షన్స్ మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి సార్.
Directions are. Okay, Amma. Okay, sure. డైరెక్షన్స్ ఏం లేదమ్మా, ఇక్కడ మీకు ఎగ్జామ్లా ఎలక్ట్రికల్ సర్క్యూట్స్ డైరెక్షన్స్ ఇచ్చాడు అనుకోండి. ఓకే, ఎగ్జామ్స్లో ఎలక్ట్రికల్ సర్క్యూట్స్లో డైరెక్షన్స్ ఇచ్చాడు అనుకోండి, మీరు అవే డైరెక్షన్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్
ఇవ్వకపోతే ఏం చేయాలో చెప్పు.
మీకు ఎలక్ట్రికల్ సర్క్యూట్ డయాగ్రామ్లో డైరెక్షన్స్ ఇస్తే మీరు తీసుకోవాలి. ఒకవేళ ఇవ్వకపోతే మీరే ర్యాండమ్గా వేసుకోవాలి. ఇట్లా ర్యాండమ్గా ఎనీథింగ్ నీ ఇష్టం ఇట్లా వేసుకో. ఓకే, ఇలా ర్యాండమ్ వేసుకోవాలి. బట్ ప్రాక్టికల్గా చూస్తే ఈ 20 volts అమ్మా ఈ డైరెక్షన్ ఇలా తీసుకోవాలి, ఎందుకంటే ఇలా అవుతుంది.
ఓకే,
సో మనమే ర్యాండమ్గా తీసుకోవాలి. ఒకవేళ వాడు ఎగ్జామ్ ఇస్తే పర్లేదు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇది మీకు డైరెక్షన్స్ ఇలా ఇచ్చా అనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ నీకు ఏమైతే చెప్పండి, ఇది ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది కనిపిస్తుందా? ఇక్కడ 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 అండ్ ఇక్కడ. దిస్ ఈజ్ యువర్ డైరెక్షన్. ఇది మీరు ఇష్టం, ఇది ఇట్లా తీసుకోవచ్చు, ఇట్లా తీసుకోవచ్చు.
సార్ మరి మనకి ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్టు తీసుకుంటే డిగ్రీ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది కదా సార్?
డిగ్రీ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది కదా సార్?
డిగ్రీ ఏందమ్మా?
ఇందాక చెప్పారు కదా సార్, నెంబర్
డిగ్రీ
ఆఫ్
ఆఫ్ ద
నోడా.
డిగ్రీ చేంజ్
డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ ద నోట్ చేంజ్, డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ ద నోట్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. బట్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది నోట్స్ యాడ్ చేసినప్పుడు మాత్రం మళ్ళీ బ్రాంచ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఇవ్వలేదు.
ఇప్పుడు మరి అన్ని ఫస్ట్ 3 notes కన్నా ఇన్కమింగ్ చేసుకుంటే అట్లా
డిగ్రీ చేంజ్ అయినా అన్ని యాడ్ చేసినప్పుడు వచ్చే రిజల్ట్ అనేది సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బ్రాంచెస్ ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్,
ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
The direction will be very important. Why? Because when you going to for next topics, incidence matrix, earthquake matrix, it is very important. Okay, identification of the nodes, identification of the branch elements is very important. Okay, current source ఉంటే ఓపెన్ సర్క్యూట్ మర్చిపోవద్దు, అదొక్కటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఓకే, మీకు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈ గ్రాఫ్ చూడండి, టైం ఉంది ఇంకా 2 minutes లో ఒకసారి గ్రాఫ్ చూపిస్తుంది అమ్మా. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి అమ్మా, హౌ మెనీ నోట్స్ విల్ బి దేర్? ఏ. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ నేను ప్రెజెంటేషన్ 1తో చేశా. 1 2 1 3 4 నోట్స్. ఓకే, 1 to 4 మధ్యలో వోల్టేజ్ సోర్స్ ఉంది, రెసిస్టర్ ఉంది, కాబట్టి టోటల్ ఒకటే షార్ట్ సర్క్యూటెడ్. దట్ ఈస్ బ్రాంచ్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఏ. చూడండి 1 to 2 మధ్య ఓన్లీ రెసిస్టర్ ఉంది, దట్ ఈస్ బి. ఓకే, 2 to 4 మధ్యలో L1 ఉంది, దట్ ఈస్ ఈ. అండ్ ఫర్ 2 to 3 మధ్య 2 కెపాసిటర్స్ ప్యారలల్ ఉన్నాయి. ఈ రెండు సాల్వ్ చేస్తే సింగిల్ ఎలిమెంట్ గా, సో దట్ ఈస్ దిస్ వన్ డి. దిస్ ఇస్ లంప్ పారామీటర్స్, దట్ ఈస్ డి. For 3 to 4, one more voltage source, that is F. Coming to here, for 1 to 3, 3 elements will be there. R3, R4, current source. This current source eliminated. Why? Because it is open circuited. Remember, leave it. Of these 2 resistors, I am connecting C node. Okay, all of understand? Tell me, How many nodes will be there in this electrical circuit? 4 nodes. How many nodes in the graph? 4 nodes. How many branch elements in this electrical circuit? Tell me. How many branch? Babu.
7.
1 branch, nothing but elements. Branch elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, but you have to solving this one parallel single branch, no? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Okay. Branch element is nothing but branch element is nothing but resistors, capacitors. So it is 7. Okay. Okay. It is forming one branch element. So it is 7. What about this one here? How many branch elements will be there? A, B, C, D, E, F. 6. 6 will be coming. A, B, C, D, E, F. 6 will be coming. Why? Because this in the current source, it will be coming 6 branches. Okay, all of understand?
Sir, node 1 into node 3 daga two resistors are connected, right? So don't we draw 2 lines in the map, sir?
If you solve these 2 resistors in parallel, one coming to one resistor, no?
Ah, yes, sir.
Okay. Resistor is represented with single line. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Huh.
F doesn't have any resistor or capacitor, na, sir.
Where?
In the graph, we have taken F element, na, sir. But in the
F element. Okay. That is nothing but 4th and 3rd node. Between 4th and 3rd node, no? You are saying?
yes,
Babu,
sir.
student. Between 4th
But
and
there's
3rd.
no element,
F
na, sir,
element.
here.
It is voltage source. So short circuited. Okay. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Next, anybody? No doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. All of understand what is the graph? What is the main difference between the graph and electrical circuits? How can you identify the branch elements? In case of the electrical circuits, the branch elements will be, when we convert it into graph theory, in graph, the branch elements will be equal or less. Okay, equal or less. Why? Because of the current source. Okay. Next one, we have to identify the nodes and branches. And nodes are also called as what is this? Branches is also called as the edges. After that one, we have to identify the node pairs. Next one is we have to go for the director graph. Director graph nothing but assign of the signs. Okay. In your examination, if they given electrical circuit signs, okay. Otherwise, we have to take random. Okay. And after that one, the rank of the graph. The rank of the graph will be n minus 1. N minus 1. After that one, we have to find the degree of the node. Degree of the node is nothing but how many elements are coming to the node. That is give the degree of the node. How many elements are coming to the node, that is give the degree of the node. Okay. The degree of the node is equal to the number of branches. Okay. Next, in next class, we will see the what is the complete graph, what is the incomplete graph. Okay. What is the incomplete specific graph? What is the incomplete specific graph? And what is the connected graph? We will see that one. All of understand? Babu.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am going to close the section. 3rd hour I will continue. Okay. See ya.
Yes, sir.
Next hour over,
Python, sir. Narula, sir.
Already
okay.
came waiting.
Okay, sir. I'm going to.
Right. No problem.
Okay, sir. I will be the host for you.
Yeah, I already claimed. Completed. Just you leave the meeting.
Start to learn, sir.
Yeah,
host,
you
sir?
can leave the meeting. So I already hosted.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.